Hey guys, it's Jerry with Kenosha Rental, and today I'm going to be showing you what you can do in case that your refrigerator is not cooling off, but then you notice that the freezer is really cold. It's actually very simple and it's easier to resolve than what you think. So refrigerators are designed so that all the cold temperature is produced in the freezer. And behind this cover, there is a thin passage that pulls the cold air and pushes it via a fan that's behind this cover down into the fridge. So when the fridge area is warm, but the freezer area is really cold, all you need to do is pull the fridge back a little bit with your hands. There are wheels under the fridge, so it's actually really simple to pull. And you want to go behind the fridge and find the cable that is coming from the fridge and then unplug it. The reason why you want to do that is because there is a really high chance that there is ice built up behind this cover. And that ice that's built up is preventing the cold air from traveling from the freezer area into the fridge area. So what you need to do is, again, unplug it and wait for about 6 hours for all that ice to melt. And then once the ice is melt, then you want to come into the fridge, wipe down any water that might have dripped from the freezer, close the fridge, plug in the cable again, and then have it run. And that should resolve the issue of the fridge not getting cold enough. For this and other tricks on how to do your own maintenance in your apartment, please make sure that you connect to our YouTube channel in Kenosha Rental. Thanks for watching.